Big day tomorrow. Jack and myself are flying out to Chicago to build a pond for Kyle Moser, and I am not showing up to do a project with a bunch of service members and Marines with this hair. I have got to get the dew trimmed. This is not working. Feeling much better after getting that mop cleaned up on my head. So now I am so looking forward to heading out to Chicago, taking my son Jack, and we are going to have an amazing time with some great men that I've had the pleasure of serving our country with, and also building ponds and waterfalls all across the country with, and looking forward to doing what we love to do for a very deserving young Marine, Kyle Moser, and his wife Alex. Okay, Jack, are you ready? We are at the airport and it's 4:45 in the morning. It is time to get with it. All right, just got off the plane in Midway down in Chicago, and a good buddy of mine that I have not seen in about 19 years is on his way to pick us up right now, and I am on pins and needles. Are you excited? What's up,
there you go.
All right.
All right.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Morning of Kyle Moser build.
Kyle Moser build.
You know it, and we are ready to get this going. We're heading off to Aqualand right now to get the plan of the day and get our...
work.
That's right. We're going to work, Paul. You ready? Did you stretch?
I did stretch. I showered. I have work boots on, a belt, a shirt, and a hat.
There you go.
I'm ready to work.
Fantastic.
Go out in the public.
Yeah. All right. You're presentable for public.
I'm presentable for public today.
All right. Let's get it going.
Let's do it.
All right, wagon train is heading out, and the boys are still sleeping. Heading up to see the boys. They stayed here last night, and I don't think they're even awake yet. But, oh yeah, the lights are still off. This is not what a working party should look like.
No, it isn't.
So we are finally rolling out. We're only 15 minutes behind schedule. These guys just rolled out of bed. Hey, what time's Reveille, fellas? Not sure what that is. Hey, pond guy.
Hey, you slept in, Ralph.
No, that wasn't me. That was the boys. And look who decides to grace us with their presence.
We had 10,129 people that entered in essays of why they should win this water feature. I mean, some really heartwarming stories. You know, the whole goal of this thing is, when we heard the story of Jared Allen, you know, from the Minnesota Vikings and the Chicago Bears, an all-pro defensive end, the 18th home that the Wounded Warriors had built, and we thought, so on May 9th, we were here at the dedication. May 20th, we're here doing this pond build, and then next month, when is your wife due? When's Alex due?
End of June, 28th.
So you talk about a big, you know, life transition for this young man. So for us to be able to organize this, when we put out the APB to certified Aquascape Contractors who are veterans, we got 20 guys that volunteered to fly in here on their own dime and come here and be part of this. For what you sacrificed for our country, to be able to build something like this for you that you be able to sit by and enjoy with your puppies, your wife, and your new baby. You know, I always joke around that someday when I'm independently wealthy, all I'm gonna do is give away ponds to worthy people, because there's so many worthy people out there doing this. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be completely chaotic in the beginning, but we're gonna have water flowing here by, I'm gonna guess, 3 o'clock this afternoon. So let's give Kyle a warm Aquascape welcome, how we always start everything off, and then we're gonna start building.
So we're going to start digging everything out. I also want to get our plumbing and stuff like that set up. We want to get our biofall set. So again, this is just like any one of our projects. We have a systematic approach to it. We're going to get the biofall set. We're going to start digging dirt. We have a lot of people. We'll just start piling up some soil. I want to get this leveled, compacted in the ground at the proper elevation, get the plumbing connections going. Because as we're digging, we're going to take all of that soil and we're going to bury this entire waterfall. So this is going to be the start of the main waterfall facing towards the master bedroom.
We've been here all of 20 minutes, and a lot of action is happening. So we got the one and only Josh Lepper right here. He's actually doing something. Don't get used to this.
That's the first time he's done anything all day.
Good morning.
We'll keep an eye on him throughout the day. See how long this keeps up.
Hey, give me some beer, I'll work harder.
And of course, accompanied with Josh is Josh Crawford. And you know what? Hey, Josh, happy birthday and happy retirement. Get back to work.
Actually over on this side here. Right over here on this back side. Good to get. So thankfully, Chris brought in the machine. So we got the 303 in here because this digging's not bad, but it's a heavy, wet clay. We were digging away by hand at the beginning, and then this thing showed up, and boom, we're starting to make a lot of progress. We're looking great.
Right now, the patio has increased that water level 3 to 4 inches below that to get water. Oh! What the? Oh!
What do you want me to say?
All right, man. So what made you decide to come out here and be a part of this build?
You put me on the spot right now.
Yeah. It's rolling. See the counter?
Oh, God.
Yeah. Come on, man. Why'd you come out here?
Here, we'll start over.
Okay. Hey, Josh. Ready? Take 2. Josh, what's up, buddy? This is going in the bloopers. Hey, first of all, I want to tell you happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yep.
All right.
And happy, 2-year anniversary? 3-year anniversary
16.
from graduating from the Marine Corps into civilian life.
Yeah.
Josh retired from the Marine Corps 3 years ago, and we were able to come out there and be a part of your ceremony, your celebration for your birthday, and your retirement, man. And this is how we celebrate 3 years later, building a pond for a very deserving young Marine. So I'm happy that you and Crawford came out here to be a part of this with us. I love you guys, and man, this is awesome. Great way to spend a weekend, right?
I'm glad you called.
And we got this woolly mammoth back here. Hey, Paul.
Hey, over here.
Hey. How you doing, buddy?
What's going on?
What have you got going on here?
So
Looks like a major production.
What I did is I organized everybody to come here.
You're just like a pond Santa Claus.
Well, I do it all. 4 years in the Marine Corps, retired Army, 17.
That was it.
Hey, Paul, how painful was that?
That's pretty painful. Josh was throwing rocks at me.
Things are moving right along, getting rocks set. Chris is over talking about how that skimmer's getting set. You got Josh over here flattening out this area for the waterfall, the stream. Got Tony making magic.
Every day. Narrate mine. Every day, Ralph.
It's a vlog sandwich. There There we go.
Worms are bitter.
Yeah. Protein?
Protein.
Yeah. Pound per pound, it's more protein than beef.
Back up. It's coming back up.
Beauty.
Okay, we are looking good. Getting close to time to turn it on. All right, so here I am with Paul. Once again, Paul, it's been a couple months since we've seen each other.
It has, yes.
And we did a pond over at Paul's front yard a couple months ago, and now we are here in Chicago doing something else.
Yeah, it's a very cool thing too. This is one of our pond winners. This one was obviously Kyle, the military vet, that is now has the Aquascape pond in his backyard to sit and relax next to.
Right on.
But yeah, my pond's doing good. It's
Nice.
crystal clear.
Loving it?
I love it,
Awesome.
especially now that there's koi fish in it.
Nice.
Now we're just feeding them away. It's been nice ever since.
Right on. And you're gonna go bigger, right?
I don't know. I'm thinking about the rec pond. I still don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see what we do. I don't know. You let me know in the comments. Should I do it?
Yeah, put that down below.
Should I do the rec pond or should I not?
Yeah.
Let me know.
If you do one, I'll do one.
Wow. Oh, that's. Where are you getting? How much these are, right?
Yeah. This guy says we're doing one. We'll see. Oh, this is Little Paul.
Yeah. Look. Except for wait, just ignore the white hair or the blonde hair. But look. Brothers from another mother.
All right, so I am here with Kyle Moser. Kyle, what are you thinking right now about this? We haven't turned it on yet.
I think I owe you guys all the thanks in the world. I don't know what to say. It looks like something out of a magazine. It's crazy. It looks beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm glad I was able to help somewhat,
Yeah.
and hopefully I can continue to help.
You did an awesome job, man. Yeah. You're
Thanks.
an edging master now.
Yeah.
We came out, a lot of us certified aquascape contractors, military veterans came out from all over the country to just be a part of this today and give him thanks and his family and show them the aquascape lifestyle. And hopefully this isn't your last pond.
Hopefully.
Yeah, because I know I've got a few. It's a sickness.
Front yard, backyard, side yard.
There you go. We are moments away from turning on Kyle's pond, and I am. Yeah, you got the remote in hand?
I got the remote in my pocket, ready
Nice.
to go. They're telling me to turn it on and splash some guys, but
Yeah.
can't do that. All the work you guys put in.
Yeah. This is a labor of love. This isn't really work. This is play. We're lucky enough to be able to play for our job. So are you excited?
I'm beyond excited.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can't wait to turn it on. Can't wait to get fish in there.
Yeah.
The turtles. I'll have to put up the fence, but you know, between the pond and going to the nursery and picking everything out today, oh my goodness.
Yeah.
The amount of the customizability to it, the amount Greg and you guys let me help out and choose things is
A random call the other day was
all the thanks in the world.
You got it, man. Right on.
Thank
Semper
you.
Fi, brother.
Hurrah.
Hoorah. All right, here we are getting ready for the photo op.
Can we get some more people
Look at
up
this.
here? Some people got
Crazy line of hardworking individuals right here.
It's always amazing to see how everybody comes together. It's just a moving machine. What did you think of this day's process, buddy?
Amazing. This flat dirt. Look what it is now.
Just think about what it looked like when we came here and what it looks like now. And I said that we were going to be doing this for a Marine. It wasn't like I wasn't stopping these guys from coming. They're like, we're coming to help, and I'm like, what the heck? Let's just do it as a Build a Pond Day. So many of our military veterans wanted to come and participate with this, and as you can see, it's been a labor of love. We like to say a water feature turns a house into a home. So you've got a beautiful home from Wounded Warriors, the Jared Allen Foundation, and now you got an Aquascape pond, compliments of the Certified Aquascape Contractor Network.
Hurrah! Another build in the books. We had such a great time. amazing camaraderie, love hanging out with not only my pond family, my military family, and now it's just time to hang out and relax at Aqualand, share stories of the day, share stories of, you know, in the past, and then also talk about the future projects that we're going to be doing, because it always happens, especially for this guy. Him and his son are going to get a pond. I know it.
That's right.
This was a great honor to be able to go out to Chicago and build this amazing pond for Kyle and his wife. And I'm super excited to be able to share this experience not only with several other service members, but fellow certified aquascape contractors, and especially my son, Jack. And of course, last but not least, my Marine Corps brothers, Josh, and Paul. Thanks for coming out, guys. Semper Fi, and we'll check you out on the next video.